guys, and welcome back to another video. Back out on the water. A bit later in the year now. It's into fall, or getting into fall now, so it's getting a bit cooler, so you gotta get a little bit more protected and stuff. But absolutely beautiful day out. I mean, the sun is shining, you gotta be out on the water, right? So today I'll come back up north just to kind of cruise around. I don't think there's gonna be very much traffic, so I think you'll have a lot of waterways to yourself. So I'm just gonna do some exploring, maybe see if I can throw the line into a little bit of fishing today, and just an all around kind of just explore kind of the day for a couple hours, and then head back to the real world again, right? So guys, I hope you guys will come along for this one. I hope you enjoy it, and let's just see what fun we can get up to. All right, let's go. Woo! That was a great run. All right, made it to the first fishing spot I'm gonna try. So if you see some fish in this video, you know I had some success. So, oh, go on! Oh, yeah! How we going? Hello, Mr. Pike. Hold on. No one will believe me. Ooh, just like this. Nope. Get back over here. Come here. It's okay. Gotcha. Okay, calm down. There we go. There we go, guys. Nice pike right there. That did not take long at all. All right, let's let this guy go. That's not bad. Not bad at all. Well, yeah. Wouldn't let me take the photo. Good start. Well, guys, in the midst of all that fun that was that last fish, that's now going to be the last fish. Kind of got a little busy here, and my fishing rod took a swan dive off the back side, and I did not have the reflexes or ability to get to it before that thing went to the bottom of the lake. So I don't know what we're going to do now. This video has turned into less fishing and just me traveling around. So honestly, I've got nothing left to do. So I think we're just going to go enjoy these fall colors, take a quick little trim back, and we'll call it a day there. So all right, guys, sorry about well, you got one fish and so did I, so let's go with that. Okay, anyways, let's keep going and head on back and just enjoy this ride. Alright guys, well that's pretty much going to be it for this little rip it on the water. A little bit of a early fall adventure, just ripping around up here in the northern Ontario, Georgian Bay area. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you hit the like button. Please make sure you hit the subscribe button as well. I mean, all these new subscribers, guys, you are amazing. Thank you so much for joining the channel. Thank you for all the comments. It really is great to talk to you guys. Thank you for all the likes. It means a lot as well. And just really glad that you guys have been enjoying these videos. I've had a blast making them. We are getting near the end of the season now, so I don't know how many more I'm going to be able to get, but I'll keep making them as long as I can, and then I'll have some stuff in the off season, hopefully. So again, thanks for coming along for this trip. Appreciate it. Till the next one, be safe out on the water. Peace.